today with another ab exercise video for you. Get turned up for the summertime. we got an easy one going on today. It's just pretty much just gonna be getting back into the engagement because I know y'all probably haven't been doing that much. I ain't been doing it much, but I'm always doing it, always working. Never play yourself. Today we have reverse crunches with a twist. It's gonna be like so. Boom. Left elbow, right knee, right elbow, left knee. That's one. We also have full body V-ups. Don't let your feet hit the ground. So we're gonna have 15. We're gonna do just 10 of each. 10 of each, and we'll do something at the end for 3. You know, we're gonna get these reps in. Let's go. Two. Remember, always keep your abs contracted and tight. Always keep them on flex while exercising to give them more strain, which is going to help you get more cuts, more definition of what you need or where you want it to be. V-ups. Working every part of the ab house, lower, oblique, upper. We're just gonna keep going. I ain't gonna stop. I'm just gonna keep going. These 10 V-ups. Ooh. That was in round 2. Today's detox water is brought to you by pineapple, oranges, and mint. Did the same thing I usually do for detox water. Chopped up the fruit, put it in the water, boom. Added mint, and I don't know if you all can see, but there's a little schmeckles. Not the whole leaf for the mint, it's just the seasoning, chopped up thing. But it still do the same thing. This gives it a more refreshing feel. You know, mint, we'll be breaking that down on breaking shit down. So, and you can just digest this. It's not gonna kill you. Last quick set. Hey, this is a very quick ab routine, but it's doing numbers. I feel it. Guaranteed. My bag. was 10. 3 sets of 10 of each. That was a reverse crunch with a twist at the end on both, torso twist on both sides. Also, we had leg raises. So if you add it up, it's only 60, but you're doing more movements with the torso twist. But you're getting it in. That small torso twist is not going to just be helping obliques, but I ain't going to show it. It's a real lower part. I mean, it's part of the V cut that's down here, but there's more to it. Right before the psoas, you know what I'm saying? But hey, getting it in, stay consistent, be persistent, get it in, and get to a higher elevation. This your boy Trill. Holla at me. The website is coming also very, 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 very soon. And love life. 2 fingers, not spread apart, together. That's unity. Unity! Peace.